Okay, recording.
Hey guys, this might not be in Five Nights at Freddy's, but my friend's here and we saw a dog, and we're gonna try to escape it.
Oh god.
It's right there! Oh gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh gosh! You see it? It's coming?
Dude, it's coming. It's walking along the sidewalk around the whole cul-de-sac.
Really?
Let's go this way, guys.
Be quiet. Get your dad. Dude, no, get back. Get your dad.
No, because it's walking.
Yeah. This is Michael's dad. He's watching some videos. Oh gosh. Why? You don't see him? I'm gonna go down the hill, talk to my people. Okay guys, now, it's a foxy taxi, and I don't think the dog's coming. What?
Oh my god!
What?
My mom. Dude, I didn't see it, but I kind of saw the future.
What?
Dude, it's nothing scary, but I just felt like he was coming. In case you don't know me, I'm the guy that likes Brennan.
He's Mike Does Things. Say hi. Oh, hold on. He's got a spit. And, say hi.
Go.
Okay.
I make garbage truck videos.
Yeah, he makes garbage truck videos. If you see those garbage truck videos, then, go ahead and check those out. It's Mike
I
Does...
do adventuring. If you find dogs, I just go.
Yeah, it's Mike Does Things, and, yeah, so do I. I do Legos and adventuring.
You should make a new video.
This is my new video. Okay. Okay. Sorry if my thing's a little shaky when I run. Okay, we don't see any sign of a dog anywhere, but yeah, Michael's gonna go. I'm Brandon, if you don't know that, and yeah. So I will do a Five Nights at outside. Yeah. Get your dad. Please. Get your dad. Just go tell your dad that this dog. Please.
Hang on.
Guys, I'm getting really scared.
Follow me.
I'm getting really scared. Michael's dad's making a sled hill. I'm staying down here. Dude, get your dad. His dad might help. I don't know.
That's what we are.
Yeah, just get your dad.
Dude, I'll go inside my house and I'll look out.
No, dude, I don't want to be out here alone.
Okay, it'll be fine.
No, just tell your dad that. Tell your dad. Just tell your dad.
Oh god.
Tell your dad. So now, I am actually alone and scared. So, I gotta try to survive. It's just like survival. There's people walking and there's cars. So remember how I said there's cars in my backyard? Well, there's cars and Michael's backyard. So I don't know if you guys knew what I was talking about. Let's go deeper. So, the dog doesn't see me. I saw the dog. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna run up. Oh, we're gonna hit this. It's gone? Yeah. What'd your dad say?
I didn't ask him.
Okay, well, he didn't ask him, so...
Well, that's it for our vector today. We'll keep recording if we find it. And we're done.
Yep. So we'll see you in the next video.
I think he's coming. No, that was just